In front of me is Hotwav T5 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Google Passwords Manager. First of all, you need to open Devices Settings and scroll all the way down to access Google section. Now tap on Autofill with Google, and Google Password Manager. Following that, if you can't see any of those options, that means that you never added a password before. To make them visible, you need at least one, so to fix it, click on this gear at the top right corner, right next to Password Manager. Then make sure that Offer to Save Passwords option is enabled, log into any app, and tap on Save in Autofill pop-up. This way your password will appear over here, and you'll be able to add any other one from those settings. To do it now, click on this plus next to Search Passwords. Then input your website or click on Select App and tap on the chosen one. Following that, enter your username, email or phone number. Password. And even type in some helpful notes. When you're done, tap on Save at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, my password was successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!